Welcome to Account-Based Marketing Step by Step. In the next few minutes, we will explore how ABM flips the traditional marketing funnel to focus resources on the accounts that matter most. Let us begin. We start by understanding the core principles that make account-based marketing fundamentally different from traditional demand generation. The shift from traditional marketing to ABM represents a complete reversal of how we think about targeting and engagement. Traditional marketing generates high volume, but often delivers leads that sales teams find unqualified and unresponsive. ABM focuses resources on accounts most likely to convert, creating personalized experiences that drive real revenue. Now let us walk through the step-by-step process of building and executing a successful ABM program. Successful ABM follows a repeatable cycle that aligns marketing and sales around high-value target accounts. We begin by defining our ideal customer profile and selecting accounts that match our highest value criteria. Deep account research reveals the decision-makers, influencers, and specific challenges we need to address. We create tailored content and messaging that speaks directly to each account's unique business context. Coordinated outreach across email, social, events, and direct mail creates multiple touchpoints with key stakeholders. We measure success at the account level, tracking engagement depth and pipeline progression rather than lead volume. ABM operates across 3 tiers, each balancing personalization depth with the number of accounts targeted. One-to-one ABM delivers the deepest personalization with bespoke campaigns for our most strategic accounts. One-to-few groups similar accounts into clusters, allowing us to personalize efficiently at moderate scale. One-to-many uses technology to deliver relevant experiences to larger account lists based on shared characteristics. Mastering these key concepts will help us build and run ABM programs that deliver measurable results. The ICP is the foundation of ABM, ensuring we invest resources in accounts with the highest revenue potential. Account scoring combines fit data and engagement signals to prioritize which accounts deserve the most attention. Multi-threading reduces deal risk by building relationships with several decision-makers, not just one champion. ABM ROI is measured at the account level, connecting marketing spend directly to pipeline and closed revenue. The right technology stack amplifies our ABM efforts by automating personalization and providing account-level insights. Intent data platforms reveal which accounts are actively researching solutions, enabling us to engage at the right time. Our CRM must support account-level views so both marketing and sales see a unified picture of engagement. Personalization engines dynamically tailor website experiences and email content to each target account. Orchestration tools ensure our outreach across channels is synchronized and tells a coherent story to each account. Let us recap the essential insights from our exploration of account-based marketing. By targeting specific accounts, we concentrate resources where they generate the highest return. Choosing the right tier ensures we personalize effectively without overextending our resources. ABM only works when sales and marketing share goals, data, and accountability for account outcomes. ABM success is measured by how deeply we engage target accounts and the revenue they generate. If this preview gave you valuable insights, the full Udemy course provides complete ABM playbooks, account selection frameworks, and campaign templates to launch your program with confidence. Enroll today. Thank you for watching. We look forward to seeing you in the full course. Go win those high-value accounts.